This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills Trial Balance template. The Trial Balance template enables users to compile a cumulative trial balance based on monthly balances or a monthly trial balance based on cumulative balances. If you are looking for a solution to record income and expenses and to produce a trial balance, please refer to one of our accounting templates. Let's start with the TB input sheet. So the TB input sheet is where you would enter or include your trial balance that you want to convert from monthly to cumulative or cumulative to monthly. All the columns are user input columns. It starts with the account number, account description, then the basis where you would include a M for monthly and a C for cumulative, an opening balance, and then months 1 to months 12. And that's basically the input for the template and all your accounts. Balance sheet accounts are usually cumulative, and income statement can be either monthly or cumulative. If you then go to the TB sheet, this is where the conversion has been done. It's all automated on this sheet. All that you need to do is to select the basis at the top of the sheet, which is either cumulative or monthly. So a cumulative trial balance which increase in value on a month-to-month basis. So all 12 months would have been gone. And that's for income statement and balance sheet accounts. This example has only up to row 42 in the accounts. If you require additional rows, you simply copy the entire row and paste into the required number of additional rows. If you need any further guidance on the templates, all our templates come with a detailed instruction sheet, which you can go through, and it covers a lot more than this quick start guide. You can also refer to the support section of our YouTube channel, where we'll upload videos for support based on user feedback.